Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike and I'm excited to share another Divi tutorial with you. My goal here is to make learning Divi as straightforward as possible. So be prepared to be mildly informed, possibly while yawning. But today we're going to look at how to set up a scrollable button. So what is a scrollable button? You've seen this on many different pages, anywhere on websites around the internet. What it basically is that you come here, you have this button here, and it says get started, and you click on it, and what does it do? It jumps to another section of the page. So this can be set up. It's a scrollable button. You can also have on some of the pages the scroll back to top, where you can put at the bottom here. But this is always a scrollable button is on the same page. It doesn't jump to another page, although that can be set up where you can jump to another page and scroll to a section. But for this one, we just want to do it on one page over here today so that you can see how it works. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, let's jump onto the Divi page where we are editing it. What we want to do, there's two things we need to do in order to get this to work. The first thing is we need to, well, you can do either or. The order that you do it in does not matter, but you just need to do these to complete these two components. So the first one is we just jump here into the button, all right, and we go to the link. Now at the link here, where we'd usually put, we could say like a contact us page. So if I leave it like that, what it's going to do is that if I click this get started button, it's going to look for the contact us page or post, but it's going to look to go to another screen. So we don't want that in this particular instance. What we want to do is we want to stay on the same page, but just jump to a different section. So we achieve that by using the pound sign. All right. So let's put the pound sign and then let's call it again contact. All right. So we just save that. Now what we do is we're going to look for the section that we want to scroll to. So in this case, we have that little contact form right here, get a free consultation. Okay, so we jump into the section. All right, so it's orange here because it's set as a global. But what we want to do here is we want to just jump into the section. It could be a blue as well. We want to go to the advanced, all right, and then CSS ID and classes. Now, whatever you wrote in the link section of the button, you want to write that here for the ID. So in my case, I put contact, right? Now notice I didn't put the pound sign, and I didn't put a dot, and I didn't put any of the other stuff. I'm just putting the ID itself, all right? So just contact. And I save that. Then what I do, go and save the page. And now if I exit this and I come to the page, I click on the get started page and it'll jump me to that section. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. So you can see how it's quite easy to make use of a scrollable button on your page. It gives the user a bit more of a dynamic feel to your page, and it moves away from the monotony of having to scroll. All right, so I hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you. If it has, please do hit the like button to let me know. And to catch more Divi tutorials as they come out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more of these videos as I learn more about Divi. Your feedback is valuable, so do leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.